Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 73. And the topic for today is focus on the why. I'm going to give you 3 key points and 1 action step for the week. The first one is the anchor in the storm. When you face obstacle, fatigue or doubt, a clear why keeps you grounded. See, when the road gets tough, your how will falter unless your why is strong enough to push you through. The point 2 is shift from the process to purpose. See, we all of us often get stuck in the tedious mechanics of a day-to-day task, which is nothing but the how. So don't just focus on the endless to-do list today. Focus on the impact of every single item in your to-do list. So as that this particular item is connected to my why, connected to my purpose. If it's not that, don't do the task. The third point is clarity creates momentum. See, generally, why do we procrastinate? Because we are not clear about our purpose. So once you define why this task is matter to you, then the next step become obvious and effortless. See, when you're very clear about why, execution stop feeling like a struggle, it start feeling like a mission. So friends, to summarize, the 3 points are anchor in the storm, shifting from process to purpose, clarity creates momentum. So in order to implement this, what is the action item? Before you start your work today, write down your top goal for the sentence and start with I am doing this because. Okay, you are in 4 or 5 items to do today. Start with I am doing this because. So the because will tell you why you are doing this and connect it to your purpose of why you want to do this action. Okay, so I think this may give you some clarity. Have a great week. See you next week. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.